Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make these super creative and cute bird's nest necklaces. So here's what you're going to need. Any type of beads, I prefer glass beads, 28 gauge or smaller jewelry wire. The smaller the gauge, the easier it is to make these necklaces. And lastly, jewelry pliers. You want to start by measuring out about 3 feet of jewelry wire and cutting it. And then take 3 beads and loop them onto the wire. Then you're going to secure them by bending the wire to bring all 3 beads together and taking one end of the wire and twisting it around the other end. Next, you're going to begin wrapping the wire around the beads until you get some sort of circular bird's nest type of shape. I did have a lot of trouble with this because of my wire gauge, so I definitely recommend you get a smaller gauge to make this process easier. Once you've achieved the desired size of your bird's nest, take the remaining wire and loop it through the bird's nest so that it will not unravel. I recommend you do this 2 or 3 times around the nest so that it is fully secured. After you are finished looping the remaining wire, tuck the last bit of the wire inwards towards the nest. If you want to, you can secure this piece using clear nail polish or glue. Next, take any type of string or jewelry chain and string it through any loop of the bird's nest to complete this project. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and be sure to subscribe for more crafts and DIYs.
Hey!